Hi, Dr. Sewell here. In this video, I'm going to teach you the simplest version of the Buteyko Breathing Method. Now, over the course of Dr. Buteyko's career, numerous variations of his breathing method were developed, and a simple search on YouTube will show an abundance of variations on Dr. Buteyko's breathing method. In this video, I'm going to teach you the simplest method. Now, the Buteyko breathing method has been shown to help many people with many different types of health challenges. It's been shown to be helpful for people that have pulmonary disorders like COPD. It's been shown to help people that have allergies and hay fever. It's been shown to help people that have asthma, right? It is also remarkably effective for people that suffer from anxiety disorders and panic attacks, as well as people that have functional gut disorders like IBS. And while there are numerous variations of the Buteyko breathing method, I'm going to teach you the simplest and original method now, which is simply a small breath in, a small breath out, and on an empty lung, you hold your breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and relax. Breathe normally for 1 minute, and then repeat again. Small breath in, small breath out. On an empty lung, you hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and relax. Breathe normally, and then a minute later, repeat, right? And when you're first starting out with the Buteyko breathing method, just do it in like a series of 6, okay, to get a feel for it, right? And what's important is that when you're doing the breath hold for that 5-second count, really try to relax. Really try to let the body relax. Really try to let the mind relax, okay? And so that's how it begins. It's a simple 5-second breath hold with a 1-minute gap in between the breath holds. Now, if a person wants to improve the effectiveness, right, of the Buteyko breathing method, there are 2 things that we can do, okay? When a person is comfortable with it, when they're familiar with the method, there are 2 things that we can do that will increase the speed and the effectiveness of the Buteyko breathing method. And the first thing is to increase the length of the breath hold. So rather than holding your breath for a 5-second count, hold your breath for a 7-second count, or an 8-second count, or a 10-second count. So the first thing that we do is we can increase the amount of time of the breath hold, right? And then the second thing that we can do to make the Buteyko breathing method more effective is to decrease and shorten the duration between the breath holds. So rather than having it be every minute, we make that duration shorter. Like, let's say every 45 seconds, right? Or every 30 seconds. So by making the breath holds themselves longer and making the duration between breath holds shorter, that will increase the effectiveness and the speed with which it will work. But only as long as the person is relaxed, right? And only as long as our breathing doesn't become haggard and out of breath. Because remember, the whole purpose is to raise the carbon dioxide levels in the bloodstream, but to do so in a comfortable manner. So I suggest that you begin with the simple 5-second breath count every minute apart for a series of 6. And then once you're familiar with that, then start to make the breath holds gradually longer and make the durations in between the breath holds gradually shorter. And if you do that, you'll find that this method will work very well for you.